Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about YouTube analytics. I love videos like this. These numbers are pretty good. I wish every video would perform on my channel like this, but is it the revenue actually really speaking from these numbers? I don't think so, and we can look closely maybe why. I saw people with the revenue for one video, thousands of euros, dollars. We are going to talk about my best performing video from my channel ever. This video was posted just about 1 year ago, and I wanted to just celebrate this video and talk about how much can one video make you. I am a micro channel, so I feel like this might be interesting for people who wants to, start YouTube or maybe to micro channels like me. This video got 246,000 views and about 10,000 watch hours, and I got with this video also over 1,000 subscribers, which is literally the half of my subscribers at all. I am making this video not showing off something, but I like to be transparent because I personally love to watch videos like this, and I already did a few videos about YouTube monetization on my channel, so I will link those videos in the description. If you are interested in those, you can definitely check this out. Also guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and let's talk some numbers. Here we have a graph how viewers find this video, and 47% find it through suggestions. So that's what the YouTube suggests them to watch, and 32.7% from YouTube search. So that's the literally people searching, how to cut my hair or viral butterfly haircut or whatever. The next I want to show you is this pyramid where you can see amazing numbers. So you can see on the top of the pyramids impressions number, and that is 3.5 millions. Wow. This is a very big number for my micro channel, and it is just amazing. The click-through rate 5.7% is also pretty good. Views from impression over 200,000. It's great, And the average view duration was 2 minutes 32 seconds, which is not much. I feel like the video is 8 minutes long, and 2.5 minutes, it's not much. At the very bottom, you can see watch time from impressions in hours, and that's 8,500. 8,500 hours watched on this video. On this 8 minutes video, which actually the average view duration is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I want to show you my next screenshots, which is about search terms. So the most search term which led to the video is butterfly haircut with a 13%, then how to cut your own hair with almost 3%, butterfly cut with 2.7%, butterfly haircut tutorial 2%, and butterfly haircut at home 1.1%. This is so annoying. There are literally people screaming on me behind of the window from outside. I'm like recording this video in front of the window with a natural light, and yeah, this is how it is. If you are here and you wanna start YouTube or your small channel, you can relate how it is to actually do this. It is actually pretty hard, but if you feel like doing this, just do it, keep it doing, and go through all the stuff you have to go and just do what you like, okay? I want to actually show you this screenshot, which will also affect how much your video earns, because my videos are earning just from the commercials which are placed on my videos from the Google AdSense. So here you can see the screenshot, and it's also depending how many ads you put into a video. You can do it in the YouTube analytics, and when the videos are over 8 minutes long, you can put there more ads, in between, which then makes, of course, more money for the video, because the users, the people are watching more ads through the video. So now I would like to talk about the video performance, because that's actually the most interesting part now, because it's depending then how much the video earns. This is actually different by every channel, by every video. It's depending on many factors. The revenue for every 1,000 views is just €1.22. I watched lots of videos, and it's depending on the niche on the video, because every advertiser also pays different type of money for different videos, the channels, the niche. So the tech, for example, or finances, they have, I feel like, pretty high revenue, these videos, and also the advertisers pay lots of money to put the commercials on those videos. So we can get to my last screenshot. This video was posted 1 year ago, but my channel got monetized half year ago. So as you can see, the video wasn't earning anything, obviously, until my channel got monetized. After that is the video actually earning pretty stable, sometimes more, sometimes less. So we are going to actually look on the revenue for the last half year, not for the whole year. And the revenue for this video is €302. Yeah, I saw people with the revenue for one video, thousands of euros, dollars. This is my revenue for this video, which I am very, very proud of. I just post actually on YouTube what I like. I actually don't have any strategy, which is maybe shame. Maybe I should think about it more. But my niche is actually pretty bright. How I said it at the beginning, from travels to, cooking or fashion or whatever. So yeah, but my channel is growing. I'm going to celebrate soon 2,000 subscribers, which is so great. I am happy, and I'm glad for every one of you here watching and subscribing and sharing the videos. If you guys have any questions, just drop the comment below. I will try to answer that. Comment below which video would you like to see next, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.